Hello and welcome to the Reiki Gem Wellness channel. I'm Shannon and thank you so much for joining me tonight during my daily evening meditation. And today we're going to be doing something a little bit different. It's going to be a body scan and relaxation so that hopefully we can get some really deep stress relief and relaxation into our bodies before we settle down and try to go to sleep tonight. If you're new to my daily meditations, the only thing that you're going to need is a comfortable seat, either on a cushion on the floor or in a chair, and then a place with as few distractions as possible. These daily meditations are not complicated and they're primarily intended for relaxation, stress relief, and just winding up after a long day. So if you have your comfortable seat and your place to meditate, then let's get started. So I invite you to close your eyes and start taking some slow, deep breaths. And we're just focusing on breathing right now. Just setting aside everything that has happened today, and let's just breathe. Doing a quick check on our posture to have our spine tall, shoulders back a little bit, chin tucked down just a little bit, so that our lungs and our stomach have full room to expand as we breathe. And bring your attention to your feet and see how they feel right now. And see if you have any tension or discomfort in your feet. And you might want to wiggle them a little bit, and if you're sitting on the floor, they might be tucked under you, but as you exhale, try to exhale any tension in your feet. And bring that awareness to your calves. See if you have any holding or tightness in your calves. And then as you exhale, then imagine any tension or tightness in your calves just melting away. See if they can relax any further. Bringing your attention to your knees, seeing if they're in a comfortable position, if there's any discomfort, maybe a shift to try to relieve any strain on your knees. And then as you exhale, relax the knees. Bring that attention to your thighs, your upper legs. And notice if you have any tension in your legs, in your upper legs. If so, try to let that relax a little bit more. And as you breathe out, try to relax those upper legs and breathe out any tension. Bringing your attention to your hips and sitting area. And seeing if they feel comfortable in the position that you're sitting right now. And notice if there's any space for a little bit more relaxation in your hips and sitting area. In meditation, we do tend to hold a little bit more in our hips. See if you can relax it more on the exhale. Relax. And bringing your awareness up to your lower back and your stomach and your lower stomach area. Seeing if there's any discomfort or tension or stress in that area. As you breathe out, try to let that go. Any tension, any tightness, let that go. Even letting your belly hang out a little bit if you're like holding in your tummy, just let it go. Let everything relax. And then bringing your attention up to your upper back and your chest area. And if you need to stretch or move, this area tends to get a little tight in meditation. See if you can loosen that up a little bit. And then as you exhale, see if you can relax your chest and your upper back a little bit more. Making sure all the places below still remain relaxed. And bringing your focus up to your shoulders. in your neck. Maybe you roll your shoulders a little bit. And relax it out as you exhale. It's a common area for tension and holding and tightness are your shoulders. Exhale that tension. And then looking at your arms as they hang beside you and rest on or between your legs. And see if there is any tension that you can release and relax out as you exhale. Hands relaxed? Are they clenched or are they loose as they rest on your legs? As you breathe out, relax those hands. And bringing your attention up to your jaw. And see if you've got any tightness there. Anything you can let go. And then bringing your awareness to your forehead, the top of your head, your cheeks. See if you've got any tightness there. And I do tend to scrunch up my forehead a little bit and see if you can relax that. And as you exhale, just relax that forehead, the skin over your skull, your ears. And then take a look at your whole body again. See where something might have tightened up again, and just breathe that out. See if we can give our bodies a few moments of good relaxation. And then release your focus on your body and just come back to your breathing. Just breathe. And then when you feel ready, then open your eyes. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you're feeling a little bit more relaxed. And in the future, you can do this entire meditation laying down. So I should have mentioned it at the beginning, but you do have that information now if you want to replay this one later. While you're laying down on your bed, it's an excellent relaxation technique if you're a little tense and you're having trouble getting to sleep. So I hope that you guys have had a good meditation, that you have a great night and a wonderful sleep. And I'll see you again tomorrow. Good night.